So we have our scene here, and I wanted to show you one more thing, and that's how to add files to your scene, right? Or add objects. So here, remember, our scenes end with a USDA, so right, so .USD alpha. If you go to a website, for example, like Sketchfab has tons of free and paid for assets that people make and design and all these different things you can use, right? So you make an account with them, look for free. It does take a while to find free things. So you want to pay for something, just pay for something. When you download that file, it'll look like this, a USDZ. So the apple is your scene, the zebra is your file that actually runs in the scene. So here we have three USDAs, three scenes. We have one USDZ. Where's the Z at? Right there, DZ. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag this onto our scene right there. And now the car is here, right? So we're going to go to File and go to Save. If I run the project again, when I click Show Immersive Space, there is my car. And you can see the car is huge. And I kind of pinch here on my trackpad, it's a huge car. So when I come back to my scenes, I go back to Reality Composer Pro, I'm going to take this car and I'm going to scale it. So I look at the globe here, its scale is 111, which is perfect. But this model, I didn't create this, someone else did. So different people make different models, different sizes, you never know. So here the scale is 0.01. Let's make it 0.01. So 0.001. So when I type it in the X, if I tab over, it does the Y and the Z for me automatically. Go to File, go to Save. When I run it again, when I click the checkbox, if I look down, I don't see the car. If I look up, I don't see it. Where did the car go? So let's go back to Reality Composer. Let's see what we have here. So the position, when I look at my left sphere, he is a 0, 50, negative 150. Let's copy that. So let's go to here. We're going to put our X position as 0. Our Y, I believe it was 50. Let's check. Yes, 50. And then the Z is negative 150. So put that at negative 150. And the scale this time, instead of 0.001, it's 0.005. Hit tab. Perfect. So I have 0, 50, negative, not 1500, negative 150, 000, scale 0.005 down. All right, file and save it. Run the project again. I'm going to click my camera here to zoom it, so that right in the bottom right, camera back. And I'm going to run the app one more time here. Perfect. Now it's in the middle of the screen. I can see everything. I'm going to check the box, and there is the car. So I have my three orbs, one here on the side, one there, one's kind of in the middle of the car, and there is the car in my scene, right? And I can walk around this. Once you start learning the simulator, you can move and walk around. You can see it fully there where I placed it. So just a little kind of bonus to show you how you can add 3D models outside of what comes with the builder. You can download your own different models and load them into the project. Just remember that when you're looking at the left-hand side here, I see my immersive, I see my scene, I see my other scene, and then I see the 3D models. And some will show, some won't, depending on how complex they are. But when you click on the name, if you go all the way to the right, if there's a Z, that is a model. When you click on this name, if you go all the way to the right, if there's an A, that's a scene. So when it comes to using these files, I wouldn't put the Toyota wagon in here because it's not a scene, right? That is a model inside of the scene. So test one is the scene, and this Toyota runs inside that scene. When I come to the content view, kind of the same difference, right? So let's kind of do a test here and see if I copy this line, paste it, I'm gonna comment this out. All right, take this off. Instead of test one, I'm gonna just click on this name here. I'm gonna copy this. Go to content view, and this is a model 3D. Let's see if it likes it. We'll run that and see what happens. So now you can see, given this was a model 3D, right? So 3D model is what we're using. when I ran that, it's there. It's just so big you can't see it on screen. And I'm sure you can do some things to adjust the size and everything else. I'm not going to go into all those details. But again, that's just showing you how you create your new scenes and how you add things to your scenes. The preferred way is to use a USDZ file that goes into your USDA file, and that's how you can drag and drop different models or download different models into your scenes. Thanks for watching.